Good morning, everyone. This is Wednesday, April 1st, 2026. 2 MNQ traded long. As you see so far, 140 plus. It was up to 182 before I started this recording. That's where we are. Have not put a stop loss to it, so let's put one in here. Just to avoid, if a market takes a swing, you don't want to lose your shirt, right? So here we go. I'll put a stop loss right here, just in case. Just in case if things go in the other direction. So let us not take a loss. Let's put it just about that. If the market takes a swing in the wrong direction, we don't lose money here. So $200 in and made not made yet until you close your transaction. You don't make any money on it. So looking at $100 already, if cashed in the bank, 100 plus, somewhere 140 right now. Hoping that it will go further up. At least how about $200 and we get out of this here. So I'll play that tune. Right now it is not going in the direction I want, but $100 we can cash right now and be done for the day and be happy and say thank you God. So let's see, 141, somewhere around there. It is looking good. It's still favorable. Jump to 147, and we will just monitor it and be done with the trade. Not bad. 140 plus right now. So far, we are good. All right. Let's see what happens. What are we gonna achieve from here? 152, 154, 150, somewhere there. Okay. We'll hang in there just to see, just to turn our 200 into 200 without losing anything, right? 170, yeah, still looking good. Looking for 180 and counting my chickens up to 200. Right now the battle is on, buyers and sellers clobbering each other. I think we can hold our position. We don't need to worry about here anything for next few moments. Although in a matter of seconds the whole thing can change, right? That's what trading is all about. $150, $160, okay. Still looking good. Although it is taking a little dip right now. But we are okay. We are okay, no worries. It can only get better. Looking good, looking good. 130. No worries. No worries. Small hiccup here, right? Is it? Or is it going to take a further bite in here? It is, it is. It's taking, it's cutting down on running towards my $100. And more. So far not in our favor, right? But yeah, yeah. Not looking good, but no worries. $100 we can cash it anytime. That's what it looks like here. But I'm thinking let's make 200 out of this trade here. We were at 150 when it started to go down, right? So we can pick up from here. We have been in trade for about, I would say, good 8 minutes or so. In 8 minutes, $100. I guess nobody else will pay us, right? 140, 150, yeah, yeah, yeah. Is it looking better and better? I think so. I think so. 140, there you go, 150, 150. And is it going to climb or is it going to come down? I will continue with the holding pattern for now. It doesn't look encouraging, but such is trading. If I feel like it is, for the moment, I mean, the trade pattern is still that we can hold on and the market will rise. But then again, we should be very mindful that things can change. And when the things do change, you may go to see, and we are at 170 right now, and it is climbing. As I said, it's at least a minimum $200 trade here. This particular trade here. So let's see that it is good. I think it is good, but you never know. 160 was our chance to cash it again. Now we are dipping back down. Is it going to make a U-turn? I'm determined to take my $200 today. Yesterday I recovered from the $200 loss and made $17. And today we are not in the red, so anything in this trade we make would be straight up. We don't have to recover from any bad trade. So the first trade of the day, and 150 is a good amount, and it's again saying, hold on, we can give you that. Okay, is it so? Is it so? I don't want to lay this for another 20 minutes or so. Maybe we just cash our $100 and be out. Looks like it's going to go further down, or is it just back and forth? Would this push will take us to our $200 mark? That is a question I'm tackling right now. Or should I close this at about $100? We are already in, not counting the time I have already got into the trade. So it is taking a dip for now. Would it make a U-turn, or should we cash out and be contented? And 40, and 40, 150 again. Well, let's see. Let's see where we are. This time this push may work. There we go. We got the 150 back in there. And would this time it will take us into 200 territory. We're getting closer. 170, 80. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There you go. Saw the flash of 180. Does it continue to rise? 170. Push, push, push. Let's get our 200 and say thank you and be done. 180, 90, 190, yes. Yeah, no, stopped again. All right, this push will take us over the hill. That will be our 200. So I'm pretty happy. And I'll take the connection loss. That's not good. While you're trading, I'm stuck right there. I hope. All right, we got the connection back. Is it? Oh, see, it dipped. We were at 190. It came down to 172. In fact, it even went lower. Wow. That's why for emergency, you have to have another source, which I didn't put it on today, just to make sure. See, this is one thing we have to observe as a trader, that we have more than one resource, that we can just flatten our trade if this happens. That's why with the trading desk, I usually have my phone as a secondary supply line. All right. Oh, it's coming down hard. Oh no. Connection lost again. Not good. Not good. So, is it going to take us back? We were almost at 190, and then it's dipped to one. I hope it doesn't go below 100 now. Did we miss that opportunity of 190? Sure we did. I just saying that, oh, I found my 200. Look at that. And it just turned the fortunes around. We went down to 122 here, and it still looks like it's battling to hold on, not to lose much. Oh, we went down below 100 the first time. Again, it is taking a strike downwards, down to 80. So that 192 disappeared. I was trigger happy. Even 92 would have been fine, but I don't know why I didn't cash it. Still stuck in my head, the 200 number. So as a trader, you need to know when to close your books. Now we'll say, look at that. You lost even all that bump you had earlier. $100, we were below $100. That was alarming. I still don't know what it would take. Although I'm thinking I still have my sight on my 200. Is there another opportunity to have 200 here? We shall see. So, oh boy, already 20 minutes in this trade. A 5-minute trade where I had my $100 minimum. 10 minutes we were at about 150 plus. And now, just to grab another few dollars, I'm in this trade for over 20 minutes now. Well, we shall see. We shall see how it is gonna be. below $100. Hmm. Good, not good. Still hanging in there. Still hoping that I'll get my 200. Don't you think we should have been happy with when we were at 150, 190, 180, take our money and be done with it? Patience is a virtue, right? Oh, it is going below 100. There goes all that money we had it in hand, bird in hand, didn't catch it. Okay. Alright. Which way it is heading, north or south? Several opportunities to cash more than 100. Didn't take it. Again, an opportunity to get at least 100, right? Now, question is, and every trader should ask themselves, it's a good exercise over here. Why we need 200 when we can have $100 here? Now consider this: if this was MQ, it would have been $1,000. $1,000 a day, not bad at all, right? So why 200? Why not whatever you make and just say, okay, we made our day, let's go do something else. Or you can trade as many times as you want. I like to do 1 or 2 trades a day. Now let's look like it's taking a stab at my money, which is putting me at risk. Right now, because I'm in the plus territory, I'm not looking at it that way. But if it goes down, it's looking to grab what I came in with $200. So my friends, that is a question on the table. I think we should write it down. We make this amount of money and be done. So, taking my own advice, if it gives me $100, I can just close the deal right here. Don't have to think about 200. Right? So here I would have an opportunity to cash out at 100. So should I take my own medicine? I know I would not get the feedback right away from you because you're going to look at later at this trade. But if you were doing live, I would have your input in here saying, man, you made your money, get out, take your money and run. So here's an opportunity again to cash my $100. And back up 130, maybe 190 again, 150. So far it looks good that I can still make $150 out of this year. But that notion of $200 in my head is not a good thing, right? I'm not being greedy, it's just that my trade, I feel like that it is worth minimum $200. I know it is a lot more, but let's say $200 again, there's an opportunity to make 150 here. And I think it will give us, another, one more time, 180 and 90. There you go. 200, is it 200? Yes, somewhere close. All right, I'm trigger happy. And I tell you what, even though the market is going to still go up, But I will be out with my 200 here. I promise you, I would not hang on anymore because this trade has been far too long for me. There you go, getting. I'm just. Well, we just saw the 200, and you must be wondering why did I get out of it? Well, I want to cover a little expense on that too. So, uh, would I have another opportunity here? Looks pretty good to me. That 200 is definite. I see the light at the end of the tunnel, and it should happen. It should happen. So, yeah, I just want to be done with this trade now. I don't want to hang on to this anymore. This trade is going on far too long. 25 minutes into this trade. That's not good. Well, when I say not good, meaning that you make, and you take your money and go. We were at what 180 some here. Now we are back down to 160, and it's getting low again. It's taken a dip again, 150. 150, 140, still going south. All that gain I had slipping. Why? I'm still thinking I can squeeze out more money. It is not looking hot. There you go, 150 again. Don't go down. Don't go downtown. Go uptown. That's what I want. Well, when you're at the trading desk, it's not the want, it's not the need. It is just whatever you can transact. Every day, if you take $100, some people might think, well, then you can buy some more units. Instead of 2, if we had 4 here, would have the sweet $200 thing. All right. So, are we going to get this push here to make our 200 finally? 150 and 160 it is swinging. We are already in what? Oh my god, that's too much time spent on this trade. I mean, considering that we had good money in our hand and we can be done. So is this the push I am needing for my fictional 200? Well. We are there, but not quite there. Yeah, there you go. It's dipping below 150 again. Lord mercy. 160. Is this the push? Is this the push? Come on. Come on, buyers. Do it. Do it. Do it. Give seller a nudge so that I can see the 200 flickering in my eyes. Sellers are robbing me of my money. Come on, get out of my way, sellers. I need my sweet 200. Wow. Not making it easy. Not making it easy for me. Almost 30 minutes in the trade. Wow. You know, if you make $200 in 30 minutes, that's a good thing. 150, 160 several times, 180 we were there, seen the market several times. And again let's ask sellers to give me a breathing room. Don't you dare to touch my 200, huh? 130, not good. Again, cutting down. Taking a bite at my money again and again. This is still trumpeting not throttle up but throttle down. What I'm going to do now? What should I do? What should I do? Sit here and wait for my 200 or just take my money and run? That is a question. Should I take my money and run? What to do? What to do? All right. Let's. It's time to make a decision. Should I be done with this trade? And you know I'm grappling it for some time now. One might say, hey man, you had 150, 180, why, why didn't we cash out? Why we have to, go through this emotional ringing here? And now it's going below 100 again. Was in the hand, and now we're going too low for my comfort. Is this the push I'm looking this time? Climb, climb. Old man, go, 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 go. There you go. Back up 150. All right. Sellers, get out of my way. 150. Many a times I was given this opportunity to cash at 150 and then I'm stopped again. Is this what's going to happen now? Is this the push we need? 160 again and again. Is it going to be the marker now? What it's gonna be? 160, 160, good enough to go home with? Uh-oh. Back again. Back down again. Well. What is this gonna be? 126 and losing more. Are we going to break this barrier? Oops. Oopsie doopsie. We have been throttled in reverse here. how far this will go down. How far this will go down. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, it's hurting me. It's hurting me. Didn't cash on that 150 I had. 98, 102. I wanted to hear the trumpets of my success. Is asking for a lot of patience. Are we taking a dip more further down every time? It looks like that. What it's gonna be. Don't like what I see for now. Is the hope alive? I think so. I'm at a crossroads again. Just take my $100 and leave the table. Should I stay? I'm encouraged that I can get, but no. Is it a no-go for me? Looks like it's a no-go so far. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Oh boy. All that money whispered away. All that money whispered away. What is this gonna be? At the moment, it doesn't look good. Oh boy. This is a tough day. That fictitious number of achieving 200. Why 200? I questioned that earlier also. Because the trade is should be more than 200, but that number just got stuck in my mind and I'm not letting it go. And we just suffered that. We saw it, how much we went down. I do have a stop there. We won't lose any money, but we will not make money, and we have been this trade for what, almost 40 minutes. Is this the push? This time it may work. Every time I had hoped it would, it did not work earlier. But is it a turnaround again? Is it? That's a question mark. Would it break the juggernaut of the sellers? Buyers had their way earlier, much earlier, and then the seller said, "We will not let you trespass." All right, we have another $100 opportunity to cash before we shed tears, right? Okay. If it gives me a certain length of push, then we may cash out at 150. I'll wait and see here. If I have waited that long, I think I can wait a little bit longer. Another opportunity to strike 150. And if this doesn't happen this time, I will be trigger happy, that I promise now. If it breaks the stranglehold of the sellers, I will then wait for 200. If it does not, then no matter where I am, I'll cash it. I'm done. That's what I'm going to see right now. Do I need to stay in for my 200 or just bail out? And very shortly, I'm going to make that decision. If it doesn't work out, I am closing this baby. I would not continue further if I'm making my calculations right now. And if it doesn't strike me gold this time, I'm done with this trade. Although it is winking, is saying that you will be able to break through this here. There was an opportunity for 155 plus, but yes, I will make a decision here. I would not hold on to this here any longer. I know this trade will continue to go north, but I don't want to stay anymore because this has been a long trade, and then anything can happen. I am calculating, trust me on this here. Just as you're watching this trade, how it flows, I'm very much trigger happy at this point of time. I will just wait. Okay, let's be done with this trade. Yeah. Now this trade will continue to flow in the direction, but I just don't want to hold on to it. As you can see, it has been going back and forth at it, but it will continue to flow upwards. But I don't want to stay in this trade any longer. All right, done with this. Thank you very much. Thank you for your patience. You see what I have been going through so far on this here. And there were many opportunities to cash with more than 140 that we achieved several times, about almost 20 minutes ago. But didn't do it. Staying with my ambition of $200. And then there's time to say, okay, be done. As you are still watching, that market is ebb and flow on this whole trade. Is it still at the mark where I close the deal? Yes. Would it continue to flow upwards? Um, yes, it will flow. Uh, Give it another few minutes and you see this thing jerking up again. Literally, the market has been jerking, but very slowly. That's a good thing about these trades. Oh, okay, done. Thank you. Bye now.